Well, so Southeast Asia remittance market is transact at 150 billion US a year. Just the immigrant workers in Thailand alone is transact around 10 billion US a year. So it's a very big market. So right now, Lightnet is doing basically serving as an infrastructure for bank for money transfer operator. We are expecting by year end to do close to a billion US a year.
Can you talk a little bit more about what will lead to that growth? Will it only be local growth or localization of growth that you see, or do you plan to expand regionally as well?
Oh, okay. So right now we are using Thailand as a base to do cross-border transfer between immigrant worker in Thailand to Cambodia and Myanmar. But we also start to see a strong growth in trade finance between countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and China. So our goal is to have all the pay in, pay out corridor in the whole Southeast Asia, and then connect with China, followed by North Asia, and then also expand to South Asia for the receiving corridor, and then also have Middle East as a send side. So we believe that right now the market is very inefficient. There are a lot of middlemen between the B2B cross-border, and with the blockchain technology in removing middlemen, we can cut down the inefficiency and able to bridge all the bank, money transfer operator, even digital payment provider to connect together to have a better, faster, real-time, frictionless payment.
Tripati, your biggest markets, I understand, are Thailand and Indonesia, and we know the fintech, the remittance market is highly regulated. Does that slow you down in terms of expanding your network? And how are you doing at a time when there's when the pandemic is still out there?
Well, actually, regulators here are moving quite fast. Actually, Southeast Asia have one of the most advanced regulation around the digital payment. So we actually have rely on the local team in each market to navigate different legal standards. But because Southeast Asia are actually highly interconnected, we actually have quite a familiar legal standard. So Thailand, being compliant in Thailand is a good starting point to also be compliant in countries like Indonesia. So actually we have seen that due to the COVID, actually the regulator actually moved faster in approving some of the license to make sure that the digital payment can catch up with the consumer demand. So I am very positive that we will have a collaboration both the private and public sector to deliver a compliant solution that also answers the market need.